Welcome to day 18 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Today we'll be diving into the world of geocoding, which is an essential tool for mapping. We're going to enhance our map with the ability to search for addresses and places. We'll start with our day 1 code. First, we'll need to include the Esri Leaflet geocoder script and styling from CDN. Within our JavaScript, we'll be introducing a new feature, the geocoding search control. I'll position this in the top right, set the use map bounds to false, as I want it to take into account the entire world, and set the provider to the ArcGIS online provider, along with my API key. I'll then be sure to add this to my map. Next, I'll handle showing the results on the map. I'll create a result layer to hold my geocoded location. Next, when the search control receives the results, I will be sure to start with a clean results layer and then create a loop that adds the coordinates of my selected search result to my results layer. I'll go ahead and open this up in my browser and test out the new search control. As I type, suggestions are given. I'll select one of these and see my geocoded result on the map. For today's challenge, try enhancing the user experience by using a previous tutorial to create a pop-up or static text label for the results marker. And that's it for day 18. Tomorrow we'll take a step further into the world of geocoding with reverse geocoding, where we'll learn how to find addresses and place names from geographic coordinates. Thanks for watching and happy coding.